When I was in high school, I got invited to a cool party with people from another school and I didn't go. I wasn't able to because there were going to be people I didn't know, and what they're gonna think of me, like what if they didn't like me? What if I wasn't able to talk to anyone? This is the level of confidence I had, truly under my feet. Fast forward to now where I can work a room. I love meeting new people. I love talking to people. And I even moved into another city completely alone and I had the best time. If you're the person I was a few years ago, you can change that. And you will. After watching this video, you'll know exactly the steps to get to your most confident self and finally live a life you love to live in. In order to be confident, you have got to know yourself. Know what you like, know what you don't like, know what you want to do, know what you don't want to do, and then actually stick to that. Confidence is not about fitting into any situations. It's about loving yourself enough to only be in situations that serve you, only be with people that you enjoy the company of. So work on knowing yourself. If I told you what you like to do and what you don't like to do, would you be able to make me a list of non-negotiable things, things you accept, things you don't accept? Would you be able to? Until you know who you are, you'll not be confident. Of course, there is a long road. It's not like confident, non-confident. You can become more and more confident every day, but you've got to start somewhere. Switch your perspective. I was so scared to meet new people, especially new groups. I felt so bad about myself. I was literally scared. I was not able to do that. I remember one time we were on vacation with my parents and we were on like a village or something, and they used to make groups of young people so that we can get to know each other in the village and hang out all together. They made like a dinner or something for the first day so that we can get to all know each other. I literally walked out of my room, saw all the people there, and I went right back to the room. I did not even eat. I didn't want to be in a room full of new people so bad that I didn't eat my dinner. All I was able to think was, what if they don't like me? Do they like me? Why is this guy looking at me like that? I must look ugly to him. With that mindset, you're not going anywhere. Stop looking inward and start looking outward. What if you don't like them? What are you thinking when you're in a room with new people? What do you think of them? Do I like these people? What do they bring to the table? Are they even going to bring value to my life? Do they even deserve my presence? What they think truly doesn't matter. Why would it? They don't know you. You don't know them. Why are you giving them so much power? And I know why, because I've been there, and you just want to be liked and you just don't like yourself. And people can feel that. But just stop and think about it. Why do they get to decide if you're cool or not, if you're pretty or not? If you know yourself, just like we talked before, their opinions won't matter anymore. The only opinion that will matter is your own. So when you feel you're like in a room of new people, you wouldn't even think about that. You won't think why they don't like me, do they like me? You'll not think of anything like that. You'll just enjoy yourself, or maybe even think, I don't like those people. I don't fuck with them. I don't want to see them anymore. I know you're still there staring at me like thinking, okay, that's all good, but you know, I want to be magnetic. I want to attract people. I actually want them to like me. I know. I get you. I got you. Don't worry. First, you need to work on your appearance. This may sound a little bit surface level to you maybe, but the thing is, until you actually like yourself, there's no way in the world that other people are going to like you. If you don't like yourself, if you don't feel like you're beautiful, I promise you, almost nobody else will see it. For example, I used to be scared of cute guys because I thought, oh my god, he would never approach me. I'm so ugly. He's so cute. He would never. And even if they did, I did not accept them. And the very, very few times I did accept them, I put them on a pedestal. I was like, this is so great. This guy's in my life, he wants to talk to me, he likes me, he's so beautiful, and I'm not. I don't deserve him, and this would obviously spiral into a toxic relationship. Do you realize how dumb this sounds? like truly. So you need to feel gorgeous. You need to look in the mirror and be like, I'm just pure hotness today. Look at that. And working on your appearance truly helps. That's how I started. Of course, I'm not saying go ahead and have plastic surgery just so you look like Megan Fox. That's not at all my point here. It's about learning what you like on yourself, what looks good on you, what hair do you like, what makes you feel better, what makes you look better, which colors are for you. Drop down a comment if you're interested into knowing how to do that, because I studied how to glow up for so much time, so just let me know. So yeah, most of the work will need to be done up here on your mind. But as I said, working on your appearance first can jumpstart this process. If you feel like you're pretty on the outside, you'll start feeling better and feel more beautiful on the inside, and this will jumpstart your growth process and you'll feel much more confidence about it. Work on achieving your best life. What does it have to do with confidence? It is all about to do with confidence. I'm gonna tell you why. Why do you feel confident with another person or not? Why do you trust Katie? Because Katie shows up for you. She makes you feel good. She's your best friend. She loves you. Also, whenever she says she's going to do something for you, she shows up and she does it. I cannot begin to tell you the power of doing things consistently, doing things you set up for yourself, showing up for yourself. When you start working on creating better habits for yourself, on creating the life you love, and you actually little by little stick to them, you'll see how your confidence shifts. It's just natural. Maybe you say, I'm going to read 10 pages every night, and you show up, you do it, night 1, night 2, night 3, and going on and on and on. And you'll start to see you're reliable. You do what you say you're going to do. And you're trustworthy. You can show up for yourself. You can support yourself. You can expect that from yourself. And this will make you confident. This is going to truly build confidence for you. These were only a few tips. There are a lot more coming. And of course, I'm still on that journey. I'm still on that personal growth, and I still want to get more and more confident. For me, even being here and filming this video right now, I was not able to do that. I wanted to post YouTube videos since I was like in middle school. I was 10 years old, 12 years old, something like that. I'm now 24 and I've just started a few months ago. That is scary. Imagine if I didn't work on this. Imagine if I didn't work on my confidence, I would not be here today. And sure, I don't have a big channel yet, but who cares? I'm doing this, I'm trying, and I'm happy with it. It makes me happy. I truly love it. So start today. Start working on yourself. Start changing your mindset. Start shifting things. Start working on your habits. Start working on your life. I promise you, what other people think, you will not care anymore. To truly achieve confidence, you need to be self-obsessed. You need to love yourself. In order to do that, you need to stop talking down to yourself. If you don't, I'll be here ready to slap yourself awake, because you know you deserve this. You know you deserve your love. If you need help stopping that negative self-talk habit, go watch this video right now, and I promise you, your life will thank you for it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you next week.